Yeah, hi all. Today we are going to discuss about connecting Neo4j to Tableau, and then loading data through the Neo4j, and then retrieving the loaded data into the Tableau and plotting some visualizations. For first step, connecting Neo4j to Tableau. For that, in Tableau, we need to install a driver called Neo4j by C data driver, so that we can connect Neo4j to Tableau. And then later, we will be loading data into the Tableau. Sorry, Neo4j. For that, first we need to ensure the connection is connected to the local host. Whether if it is not connected, we need to connect with the password, whatever password when we download the file. At the time we will be getting password. Through that password we need to connect to our local. For this one, I am using the IPL data from 2008 to 2022. In that also I have two set of data. One is related to match and one is related to each ball what happened for from all the matches. For that, in first one related to matches. In this one, I have like a city where the match happened and the venue, what is the stadium name and the who played the matches, who won the toss, and who are the umpires for that match, and who are the playing 11 for the team. This kind of data is available in the first sheet. In the second sheet, will be having like a in which innings, how many overs are happen bowled, and what are the score got by each team, and who got more wickets on the innings, and who got the catches more, based on the things I have in the second one. But in the second one I got it like a 300k of data, but it's taking more time to load the data into Neo4j, because of that. Sometimes not only more time, sometimes it's not loading. Because of that, I have segregated and removed the dotted balls and singles run scored balls, because for loading issues. So now I got it like a 62k of data. After loading the data into Neo4j, we will be retrieving the data into the Tableau based on the connection. Here we can see like we will be having connection based on the whatever password we got it in Neo4j. We will be logging with the same things in the here. Here I got it like a match, delivery, and player. These are the three things I will be using. Let's go into the first visualization. First visualization is related to the locations where the IPL matches are held, and what is the city name and the venue name of the IPL matches are happened. For this one, I have usual latitude and longitude of the geographical locations and the venue name and city name to plot this graph, geographical graph. And then second one is related to IPL final winners, and who are the two teams reached to the final and who won the final match. For this one, I have plotted based on the filtering the final match with who are the two teams, team one and team two, and then which season the matches happen and which team is win. And then same with that, I used the count of winning team to get who won the more IPL trophies for that. And also in the dashboard, I have added the logos of the images of the each team to get more visualization. And the later next one is related to top 10 batters and top 10 bowlers. For this one, top 10 batters, we can take it up like how I have plotted based on batter and some of the score he's done from 2008 to 2022. He got how much score based on the top 10 I have segregated. In Tableau, we have some good feature in the filter. Sorry, not in the someone. For the batter filter, we'll be having like a top. Here we can select directly, instead of selecting each who are the top score runs, selecting the batter name in the filter. We will be having top here by the top 10 batters we can select based on this filter. Whatever you can select based on top 10 batters or top 10 bowlers I have selected based on this. Not only top, we can select like a bottom 10 also. We can take whatever we need based on the filter type. We can take it up from here. For the top 10 bowlers as well, I did the same. For visualization purpose, I have added the each image of the batter and bowler of the top 10 list. And the next one is from the batting team who got more outs based on the type, like most of the player we can select catches, and then next one is bowled. And then third dashboard is related to player of the matches who got the most more player of the matches, and then super overs. First we go through the top player of the matches. For this one I same the player of the match who won the player of the match, and I have counted the player of the matches, and I have segregated the top 10 who got more in the top 10 list. And for the super over, here I based on the which season and who are the both teams and the who won the team, and then based on the super over. Super over means if the both the teams are scored same runs in the given 20 overs, so that each extra over will be given based on that over, the winning team will be decided. Yeah, thank you. From this course, I want to tell like I got more experience related to data tools like Neo4j and Redis. Those are useful tools to load the data. It will be reducing some work weightage.